G'day and welcome back to episode 7 of the K100 build. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We are just doing a few bits and bobs in this video, getting the wheels ready for paint and just setting the throttle up. Onto the bars, just mainly waiting for parts at the moment, so yeah, sit back and enjoy. Go. Brake discs off. Got a valve stem remover here. Take the valve stem out. Make it easy to get the tyre off. Hopefully. What we might have to do is chuck this on the ground, place this on the ground, solid area to break that bead. Luckily, I've got my Chinese safety boots on, some tools for my kids' past MX life, hopefully a little bit of experience changing tyres. We should be able to get this off, hopefully. Luckily I won't be putting them back on. Get a tyre shot to do that. Won't be using this one again. tireless rim. So I think they've used a rattle can for this. See, it's coming off already. There it is. So this will get sandblasted and powder coated. Alright, got the tyre off. Well, it was relatively easy. Right tools for the job. Hopefully this will be just as smooth, so I'll try and get an edge down there because there is a sleeve in here, but yeah, we'll see if we can get it. Alright, there you go. So that one was well and truly stuck in there. Had the socket in there, ruined it, but we won't be reusing these anyway. So got them out in the end. I think the battery went flat, so you might have missed that end bit, but it was a slog to get it out. That was not easy. 6005, pretty common bearings, so be able to get them locally. Got a little, so this is a couple little washers here that were keeping the spacer from moving, so I was trying to hit in there to get, so they say you bend these washers and then you can re-straighten them when you get them out. But yeah, that's what the spacer and washers look like inside the wheel bearing, or inside the wheel for the front wheel, the K100. See that? We'll see how it goes. Just tried my hand at making my own throttle cable. So rubbed a few bits from a few different things that I've got laying around. Not overly sold on this, but we'll see how it goes. It's just trying a few things out, make sure I can get the throttle to work with the throttle bodies to work with the throttle. Routing some things. So this is the original OEM throttle sleeve, and the throttle cable that I'm using is out of a project that I had. Now the back I actually forgot about, so I was trying to do something with the original throttle and then something that someone had bought for a replacement throttle cable. But yeah, I got this. The other end fit perfectly in the throttle housing, so in there fit perfectly, and then I've got this bead here soldered in. Fun fact, I didn't even realise that these were just soldered in. Did a quick YouTube search and found out, yeah, it's just soldered. See how this goes. I haven't used any flux, and I've just used soldering iron. It gets up pretty hot, so I had it set to between 400 and 450, so 425 degrees. Seems to have worked pretty well. Obviously you won't know until I give it a few goes. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll chuck it in. Alright, day has come. We've got the tyre and wheel bearings out of the front wheel. We're going to get these to the powder coater, get them sandblasted, powder coated, fit some new wheel bearings, and wait for our bits from Jack's garage to get here. Let's get these dropped off.